Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am in New York City and we going to Times Square today. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right now, my out of breath. Oh, you need some oil, sir? My out of breath ass is trying to catch the train. And Jesus, outfits, gym, lift weights, little squats, you know, got to be done. But yeah, me and Zalani is on our way to go catch the train. And as you can hear,
oh my god, that's the train.
no, you're joking.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Why? You said no, you're joking. Don't piss me off right now.
Because I didn't run all this way and fast walked all this way just to miss the train. But yeah, now I sound like I need an inhaler.
Oh my god, I need one right now.
As my pump is needed. But yeah, we're almost at the train station, look. Listen, bro, I paid today. Suspect moved to America and begged all the bus driver free rides every day.
Not every day.
I need a seat today. Oh, that's what the guards look like. Oh, girl, I'm in the woman's booties. Zoom right in. That's the guard. All aboard.
I was there. The lady was taking.
No, sit two-seat. Don't have some sort of little good ass. Go down. We in Harlem. We in the.
Oh my goodness.
This is Times Square.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
Concrete streets where beach. Oh my God, is that Target on the thing?
Yeah. Well, it's not
Goddamn.
Target store, but it's just advertising. We here and we here. Come on. No, thank you.
Let me see that.
Jada, you're going to jail. You're actually going to jail. Let me see that. Oh my god.
What?
They opened the Collins Bakery in Times Square. Oh my god.
Oh, let's go there. Let's go see. Let's go check it out. Come on, get your big back ass out of here.
Two hours later.
Have you ever had a bird poo on you? As in a bird, you know the birds in the sky. Has it ever pooed on you? Because that's happened to me. 3 times. And apparently it's meant to be good luck, but you must be out of your mind. Imagine you've taken time out of your day to look good and you've left the house. You're there walking in the street, jolly golly. Next thing you know, one white and green substance is dropping from the skies, from the heavens, on your body. Even if it's good luck, did I ask for it? I didn't want it. It's happened to me 3 times. Have I won the lottery yet? Have I? I remember I was even feeling myself. I said, yeah, I'm that guy. Let me give you a mental picture of what happened to me.
Oh my God, guys. Bird just show me.
No, bro. okay, you're gonna have to use the jacket and wipe it out of your hair. Hold- You see it? Do you see it? Oh my god. Wait, let me wipe it out. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. You guys are disrespectful, I'm not gonna lie.
Jesus
Wait,
Christ.
turn around, let me see if it's up. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Head top.
No. No. Oh my god. Ah! Me nah come back.
Wait, let me just get out here. That's the best. Oh my god!
Ah!
Oh, wait.
No, me a go
Oh
home.
my god, it's in the
Me a
air.
go home. Me a go home. Me a go home. Me a go home.
Oh, let me just go. Wait, let me get a tissue from the guy there. Let me get a tissue. Hold this. What's the matter?
Bird shit for me. Guys, the bird shit for me, but I'm outside. Yeah. Yeah. Them can't stop me. Me's a act, y'all. Yeah.
Bro.